If you are starting a business soon, the most dangerous mistake is falling in love with the idea instead of the numbers. Passion is powerful, but numbers decide survival. Before you design a logo, build a website, or print business cards, sit down and answer one simple question. How exactly will this business generate consistent cash flow? Not revenue, cash flow. Revenue looks impressive. Cash flow keeps you alive. Write down your expected monthly expenses, including rent, software, inventory, marketing, taxes, and your own living costs. Then estimate realistic sales, not optimistic ones. Assume slower growth than you hope. If the math does not work on paper, it will not magically work in real life. This exercise forces clarity. It also protects your savings. Many founders underestimate how long it takes to break even. Your job right now is not to prove you are confident, it is to reduce risk. When you treat your business like a financial system from day one, you dramatically increase your chances of surviving the first year. Next, validate demand before you build anything expensive. Too many people build first and test later. Flip that order. Talk to potential customers. Ask specific questions about their current problems, what they are paying today, and what frustrates them. If possible, pre-sell your offer before fully launching. Even a small commitment from real buyers gives you more insight than dozens of compliments from friends. Create a simple version of your product or service and see if strangers are willing to pay. Track their objections. Track how long it takes to close a sale. This feedback loop is your early warning system. It saves you from investing months into something the market does not want. At this stage, your goal is not perfection. It is proof. Proof of demand, proof of pricing power, proof that customers value your solution enough to exchange money for it. Businesses fail when assumptions go untested. Finally, prepare your personal finances before you rely on your business income. This step is often ignored, and it creates unnecessary pressure. Build a cash reserve that covers several months of living expenses. Separate your business bank account from your personal account immediately. Track every dollar that moves in or out. Clarity reduces stress and improves decision-making. When your personal survival does not depend on immediate profit, you think more strategically. You can negotiate better. You can invest in marketing patiently. You can focus on long-term growth instead of short-term panic. Also, decide your structure early, whether sole proprietor, partnership, or corporation, based on your country's regulations. Consult a qualified professional if needed. Starting a business is exciting, but excitement without preparation leads to chaos. Preparation turns ambition into strategy. If you handle cash flow, validate demand, and protect your personal finances first, you are not just starting a business. You are building it on solid ground. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching this video.